This is me reporting live from here for you, the 1st of August 2019. May and June were our most challenging months. July was very busy with motorcycle work and the filming of such. But here it is, August 1st already, and I have some goals for the month that I'd like to share with you. My first goal is to diagnose 4 of the BMWs that are in the shop. I will get into detail about those when the work commences and the filming begins and all. My second goal is to launch my Patreon channel. What's the delay, you say? I thought you were going to launch that back in May. I want to make sure what I offer you is worthy of your contributions, and that takes some time. And that leads me to goal number 3, which is to post more video for you all to see, working up to some sort of consistency, a schedule if you like. My fourth goal, it's a lofty one. My fourth goal is to find the resources to insulate the shop. The reality is, most of my wrenching needs to be done during the winter. Summer is very short here. Summer is when I need to film the riding portion of my project. Spring is when the bikes go home. Fall is when others come in. Makes sense to you all, right? September already has work scheduled. If I can get the shop insulated before October, I can open up October to some more video projects. But 1 month at a time, eh? It's just August, and it's only the 1st of August. So this is me signing off from here, wishing all of you a good day over there. So long. You'll see me again soon. Thanks. Bye. Is this filming? It's filming. It's 3.5 minutes in too, so remember that. 3.5 minutes. This is me reporting live from here for you.